Hello everyone and welcome back to Color Scholar. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can create one stroke dry brush effect in Photoshop. So let's head to Photoshop and create a new document of 1920 by 1080p pixels. Then you can fill the canvas with black color by going to edit, fill and selecting black as the content. Now bring the image you want to use and fill the canvas with it. Now make a new layer above the image. Select the pen tool from the toolbar with path selected and just click on the outside edge of the subject. Make another point upward to make a straight line and repeat this process until you have covered the subject entirely. Keep on increasing the spacing outward and narrower inward. After you are done making the lines, go to Paths panel and select Save Path. Name whatever you like. Then select the pencil tool, which is found in pop-up menu of the brush tool. Size is 2 pixels. Click on the option icon to load up the legacy brushes. Click OK. Go to Legacy Brushes and select Dry Media Brush. And inside it, choose Hard Charcoal Edge Brush. The size is 2 pixels again. Now open up the brush settings by pressing F5. In brush tip shape pacing is 5%, in shape dynamics size jitter is 100% and angle jitter is 100% as well. In scattering, the count jitter will be 100% as well. Keep the count at 5 and scatter will be 185%. Dual brush and smoothing are checked on. Close the brush settings panel. Make sure the color is white. You can toggle between the colors using this icon. In the layers panel, make sure the new layer is selected. Then go to Paths panel and select Stroke Path. Select Pencil as the tool with Simulate Pressure checked on. The brush effect will take place. Click on the empty area in the Paths panel to hide the path. Then go to Layers panel and hide the image by pressing on the eye icon. Press Ctrl+T to load up transform and click on this warp icon. In the warp type, select Arch and click on the icon beside it to make the arch sideways. Keep the bend at 20% and click on a tick or hit enter to complete the transform. Press Ctrl+T to load the transform and click on warp icon. Make necessary adjustments using the points and handles in the transform grid. Click on the tick or hit enter key to complete the transform. Finally, bring the image in the center of the canvas and our brush effect is ready. So that's all for today. I hope you learned something new, and if you did, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching. See you next time on Color Scholar.